This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Smith. Come see this beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath ranch. Fresh paint, brand new LVP flooring in main living area and hallway, and new carpet in all 3 bedrooms replaced last week. Items replaced in the last 10 years. Roof, siding, windows, water heater. HVAC replaced in 2019. Great layout with an open flow from the living room to the kitchen, great for entertaining. Large primary bedroom with sitting room with closet, could be easily converted to a 4th bedroom. Sought after Brigadoon neighborhood on a quiet cul-de-sac. No neighbors behind you. Neighborhood near restaurants, shopping, parks. Centrally located in the Kempsville area. You will love this home. Call today for a private showing. December 13, 2024. For more information, review the details below.